So gusto mo lang maging entrepreneur dahil pagod ka na sa corporate job mo? Ay, pag-isipan mo nang mabuti. Ang usual kasi na naririnig ko na pag-iisip is, ayoko na sa corporate. Gusto ko mag-business na lang. At least hawak ko oras ko, tapos wala pa akong boss. Ano bang pwedeng business na mabilis ang kita? Ay nako friend, don't pursue entrepreneurship dahil pagod ka. Kasi mas nakakapagod dito, huy. Tapos sa pag-run ng business, wala kang ang set na working hours pero walang kinsenas, walang employee benefits. Ikaw lahat ang hahawak niyan, gagawa niyan mano-mano. Hawak mo ang oras mo, oo, while this is an appealing thought, ibig sabihin rin nito na pag wala kang gagawin sa oras na hawak mo, wala ka rin kikitain. Wala kang boss, think again. Like I said in previous videos, your business is your boss. Your business has demands. Your business has deadlines. Your business has requirements. Isang maling desisyon mo lang pwedeng masayang lahat ng hirap mo. Look, I'm not saying this to discourage you. I'm saying these things to allow you to make an educated decision to take that leap into entrepreneurship. The best and the richest entrepreneurs that I know poured their heart and soul into answering needs and offering solutions for glaring problems. Money alone is not going to be your sole driver. Believe me, pag naging ganito yung case, pag hindi ka kumita agad, mabilis kang madi-discourage. Pero pag ang iniisip mo is kung paano ka makakasolve ng problema sa panahon ngayon, you will develop that kind of grit and adversity quotient that many successful and significant entrepreneurs have. And when you see that your customers and clients are helped, sobrang nakaka-addict yung feeling na nakakatulong ka and you're earning from a path that's fulfilling to you. Kaya kahit nakakapagod ang entrepreneurship at hindi palaging masaya, you have the anchor to keep going. The moment that you start listening is the moment that your purpose starts to get amplified. Gusto mo ng business na kumikita? Ano bang nakikita mo?